Ayon sa alamat, ang Sampaloc Lake ay nabuo raw bilang parusa ng isang diwata sa mag-asawang nagmaramot sa kanya. Sa panig naman ng siyensya, ang nasabing lawa ay nabuo naman dahil sa paghalo ng magma at tubig nang sumabog ang bulkan sa ilalim nito. Tulad ng kanyang pinagmulan, meron din daw scientificong pamamaraan para mas maintindihan natin ang mga kababalaghan na nangyayari dito sa lawa. At ito ay ihatid sa atin ni Rob Rubin at Eric Cruz. Sunod naman pumalaot sa Sampaloc Lake ang grupo ni Rob at Eric.
Yeah, so when we get to the middle of the lake, we're gonna attempt the basic EVP session, electronic voice phenomenon. Basically, na ginagawa natin we'll record this in the middle of the lake and attempt to catch some sort of spectral details from that. So more or less, we'll also use EMF as a backup. If it goes off in the middle of the lake, that should be a concern.
Ngunit ayon naman kay Eric, hindi raw makatutulong ang electronic equipment sa pag-iimbestiga sa lawa.
But middle of the lake would be a problem as well kasi ang tubig, it's highly conductive.
Okay.
So EMF might go off.
It might, but at the same time, water would be highly conductive, but at the same time,
Also like
limited.
air,
We'll see.
electrical. I mean static.
Static.
Thunderous, static. It's the rainy season. Mas mataas ang electrical discharge niya ng atmosphere.
That's a science perspective for you. So we'll see if anything goes off.
Pagdating sa gitna ng lawa, sinubukan agad ni Rob kung may mababasa ang kanyang EMF meter.
Just like what I expected, even though we're in the middle of the lake. Look, like, Eric, nothing.
Nothing.
It's not even going off. So see the EMF meter, zero, nothing. So let's go further.
Nang walang ma-pick up ang EMF meter, ginamit naman nila ang EVP or Electronic Voice Phenomena
Middle
Recorder.
of the lake. Ready, action. Is there anyone here? Is there anything here that wants to be heard? Is there anything you want to say?
Hindi pa natatapos ang recording ng EVP, kapansin-pansin na may malalim na konsentrasyon si Eric.
Reports of a girl drowning in this town. Walang sinasabi mga tao. Girl drowning. They thought it was a drowning. It was more of a molestation, and then she was put in the water. No more evidence.
Wait, let me do my stuff.
You were asking questions. That's what came up.
Sinubukan din ni Rob kung may mararamdaman siyang kakaiba mula sa lawa.
There's more than one thing in here, but they're not really too aware of one another. They like all exist separately at different times.
Sa kabila ng kanilang mga nasagap na enerhiya, sinabi ni na Eric at Rob na pawang mga thought impressions o bakas ng alaala lamang ang naabutan nila sa lawa.
Kahit buhay pa nakakalipa rin ang impression. So, this place populated a former fishing area. So, marami talagang impressions na may iwan sa tubig, and water is one of the highly most conductive. It records a lot of memory as well. So, para siyang mataas ang psychic retention niya.
When people look into the water, when people connect to the water, believe it or not, it actually receives whoever looks into it. So in effect, it has it's like a mix mash of different emotions and energies of different people.
Imprints.